Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Let's take a look at the updates for Berachain, Bera USDT trading pair with my customer cassette. Few moments, guys. This token dumped it 4,355% down. Yes, I know what I'm talking about because the people count like this one. Oh, we down 97%. So here we dump it like, oh, only 82. Not a big deal. We just recover back. It's just in one candle, 82%, and I will be in profit or maybe at a break even. Or the token just pump back 97%, 100%, and now I will out at the break even. No, bro. If you hop in here after listing, you need to wait 4,300% gains. Thanks to the influencer, to the paid influencer who shield you all of these brand new tokens, because I'm more than sure, guys, all of these tokens which launch you with the airdrops, with the testnet, with the airdrops, most likely they paid for testnet campaign, to bring more users, to participate in that one. The task all the time. The task is simple. You need to follow the official account, the Twitter, the Telegram, the Galaxy, the some other platform when you need to complete the task. You run the volume transactions. You like imitate the activity. Right, so that's the point of not only about Berachain, it's for the Starknet, for many other tokens, which outlayer the same story. No makes sense, of course, blame the Berachain like it's the worst performer ever. No, guys, almost all tokens look the same. I just once again would like to remind you, so the fundamental mean nothing. Absolutely nothing, because behind every single of that super fundamental tokens and solutions for the blockchain to improve our Web3 life, stages venture funds who just receive their tokens allocation and just dump on you. So if you use the Berachain for a daily purpose, of course you can use it. I'm happy for you. But if you investor, I don't think so. You're satisfied, with this investment in this asset. So only now, I highly recommend you go and check, the first video about the Berachain when everybody laughing once again, like usual people laughing. What are you talking about? We never drop under $1. We never drop even under $5. Did you see the solution, the utility of the Berachain? Did you see it? You don't understand the metrics. You don't understand the fundamental behind this token. You don't understand the venture funds who invest in it. You have no idea what you're talking about. I post the video on the next day or after a few days. We need just initiation accumulation pump model, and I determine the levels. All levels playing out perfectly well, and we can go straight forward even to invalidation of this idea. I don't think so. We will drop and invalidate this idea. So I highly recommend you, in educational purpose, just go and check the first video about the Berachain to understand the levels. So this was the first zone to buy, this was the second one for the bounces. So here was like first limit order to buy. No, not that one, this one. Bounce. In average, just an average, 29%. So we try and hold the line here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. So 1.5 months, we stay just in the range. We try and hold the line. So everything pretty good. Some tokens, at the first zone to buy, recover to the zone to sell, based on this strategy and the model. But market makers decide dump this token. First touch till penny. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weeks in a row we traded inside the best zone to buy, bounce, and it was a little bit better bounce. So 86%. After that, the Donald Trump dump, try hold the line again, and wrecked. Because, unfortunately, we don't have a data, at what price that guy's in the Series A, in the Series B round. 3 years ago, imagine this token listed in 2025, but that guy's invested 2 years ago before the listing. So it's like an extended in time marketing campaign, the plan to run the startup to make money after the listing. So that's the point. That's the utility of that token, is to make the early investors who invest in that startup rich, not you. If you want to buy at listing price, you could be making rich if you make money with the airdrop of that token. So congrats if you use the multi-hacking, a lot of accounts, and get a airdrop. All right. So what do we get now? Now we can drop even and invalidate on the 5 cents and invalidate this idea. This is the lowest listing price on the BitGet. On other exchanges, it's already, I guess, a million times invalidated. On a Binance, yes, of course, this was invalidation. That's why I tried to use the lowest listing price, and in many cases, it's BitGet. I don't want to promote you to BitGet or any other exchange. It's just found, so I don't know why, but BitGet mostly list the tokens with the candle, right? Lowest listing price. So I don't know, still don't understand how the exchanges list the token the same day, but with totally different listing prices. The top at the listing price could be the similar one, but the listing price, lowest one, is kind of almost always different. So invalidation of this idea, it's a 5 cents. Can we drop? Yes, of course. The Starknet also consolidate here a long time period, and after that wrecked everyone and dump much lower than a listing price. What will happen if the token drop on the listing price? This is going to be the price discovery zone. We can't know where the market makers decide, maybe by some task, from the venture funds, stop selling, and stop dumping the price. That's why we can't know where the price will stop if we drop under 5 cents. I hope will not. I don't care about Berachain. I don't trade it. I don't invest it. I hope we will not drop to 5 cents, because I could even imagine if the Berachain from 50 cents dropped to 5 cents, what will happen with the other altcoins. That's why I wish to see only the green up candles for the Berachain. So the zone of distribution, guys, now it's 50 cents. At $1, it will be not a mistake, around the high of January 2026. $1.05 withdraw initial deposits. Withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens, and you don't care about what will happen next with this token. If we drop to 0, you don't care. Lose nothing. If we pump to the zone of distribution, you'll be happy with the free money from the air, free tokens. Only now, market capitalization and FDV almost equal. Of course, the FDV is twice bigger, but it's not like billions differences, So I remind you, market cap. So this one is like 1.25 billion market capitalization. Imagine. And while we have the unlocks, because we get a vesting schedule and only 40% token unlock. So every single day, they get unlocks every single day. What? Real? Yeah. Nice. Every single day, they get unlocks, more or less. So how recommend you just track it. And the unlocks here will be till 28. So requested for blah, all this testnet uses, strategic partner, social airdrop, ecosystem, NFT, all of these unlocks is already done. Validator emission for 7 years unlocks. And now investors. It's a good moment. Why? Because investors, if this is also some of that investor, it's venture funds. Why it's good? So they have unlocks now, because the price is so low, and I hope their entry not like 5 cents. I hope they entry higher. So based on this logic, just a logic, not a TA, just a logic. If you're an investor and if you control the market, you get a allocation, you partnership with the centralized exchanges, with the market makers. It's logical to push the price by manipulation, whatever, right? Higher, to the higher targets, and start some promote campaign again, like a Berachain in the future. So buy now. While you shill it, you step by step sell your tokens, because you get your liner unlocks started from February this year till February 2028. So makes sense. Push the price at least to $10 again. And the people who want to buy now, for example, at, let's say, 49, They will hop in here during this ride. And after 2 solid percent gains, that guys distribute their bags. And after that, from 2028, maybe 2027 to 2028, they will 2 years distribute while we're going to be in a downtrend. So the best case, guys, if we go to the zone of distribution, what I posted before, and form something like this one. After that, the people will start to draw the double bottom global one on the weekly time frame with the targets over than $20, but it will never happen. So this is my plan, my idea. You know, you can watch the first video to understand the logic. That's why I hope the venture funds get a plan to push the price higher just because they can, and no makes sense sell the token and losses now, but we can't know where what their entry. All right, based it on TA, what we can see. First of all, guys, this is if we trade now at the bottom here, invalidation. It's a drop on the listing price. If you skip the first video, so $1.26, $1.90 is zone of also going to be the fixation. 336, 438 zone of fixation. This is the end of cycle. If you believe in new all-time high, you can leave some 25%, for example, of your tokens and wait the crazy new all-time high if you believe in it. So base it on data now. So 212 million tokens in circulation supply. So yes, definitely it's more than real to see the 2 billion market capitalization, for example. Possible. Why not? So I think everything more than real to see the $10 once again, just like speculation. Beat gets direction indicated and ADZ on a weekly. This is not a crazy accumulation zone. Crazy accumulation going to be here, but it's not a distribution, not accumulation, like more neutral. Daily, somebody accumulated here since November 25 with the warranty. Somebody accumulated here. Here was a distribution. Now we once again over the middle zone, over the neutral zone. So if we crash down, invalidate this idea, the similar like, for example, Arbitrum now, not so far from the 10 cents listing price on HTX. So the same story can be with the Berachain. So we can drop to this block and form the bigger the warranty. I hope it will not happen. All right, so this is a direction somebody accumulated since basically the beginning of the February. It's a good one, but it's on a daily time frame. So let's close these two indicators. Market mood. Finally. So if you watch the first video about the Berachain, you could see and you could track even with alerts. So all these time periods, February 25, it's a weekly time frame, till January 26, it was the A3 zone. Now, started from the January 5 till now, we are in capitulation zone. You can double check some updates. Green Lane buys 8 million worth of Bera. Maybe now we will see some media posts, which give some hope for the users and the venture funds. Yes, use that media, because who control the media control the world. They can put the price higher and distribute the bags. That's why, guys, it's never a mistake after 100% profit withdraw initial deposit. So now it's a capitulation. Only now makes sense. Start use DCA money power. Wow, also interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row was here somebody accumulated. We can't know. Some big guys can also accumulate in losses. So it's not if you're a big investor, you operate the millions, you can't lose the money on the crypto. A lot of people lose the millions. That's why somebody accumulated. Maybe somebody knows something. And I remind you, the big guys, they need the time, more time than the lower price. So $1.30, 97, 87, 82. So approximately it's like $1. Let's say $1 price, average entry for that guys. We at the bottom. So this is definitely not a time to sell. Let's check. Let's add alerts, money outflow on the weekly. So let's add alerts like this one. I will get a notification, and I recommend you do the same, because just recently I get a ton of notification from the recent videos what I added alerts from indicators. So this money power, money outflow. So here, the week of September, by end of September, we saw that 1 week before the Donald Trump dump, we saw the money outflow. So the big guys fix a profit. It's not after the fact. So you could check it in real time. This is on different time frames. So this is a daily. So here, last money inflow, 1, 2, 3. 3 money in, pump, money outflow. Of course, it's not have to show you all the time exactly at the top till penny. No, they fix before, the week before, the day before, that depends of your time frame, what you're looking for. So now no money in. So be careful, guys. And of course, it looks unreal, but dump 89%. I hope it will never happen. It not happen. And also even like 800% down. I hope we'll not see that drop. But they mention also dump it. I have a dump it. I mean, all of that's brand new tokens, which listed just recently in the last few years. Weekly time frame trade on. No data. Yeah, because maybe for indicator algorithm, there is no data, not enough data. So the signal to buy was here, bounce, buy, bounce, recommendation close position, drop, and we drop it. So sometimes, you could track, we can see some signal to out, and looks like it's a mistake because we missed the pump of 63%, but it was at the end not a mistake because we dumped 50% from that price level. That's why, guys, I hope we already swept the Donald Trump dump low. We already swept the liquidity of December. We already dumped it to 34 cents with these crazy spikes. So I hope we will not drop lower, because the next step is invalidation of this idea. And last and the most important indicator, guys, for us, it's take profit. So we dump it under fundamental volume. Now we try hold the line, the buy line on a daily. Weekly time frame, unfortunately, there is no data. So we can use the daily. So the daily time frame, if we just go in a sideline like this one and bounce, the zone of fixation will be $1. Now it's take profit line. The exit line is $1.13. So this is it. So once again, guys, I highly recommend you just add alerts and track, because everything you could see here in real time, if you track it before, because it's impossible to track all tokens, right? But add alerts and track. Most positive case scenario, guys, I hope if the venture funds during the next 2 years unlocks, they have a plan to sell at a higher price target. And I hope the road will be to $10.28. At least 0.5 level by FIB. $5 approximately. And after that, we need to check the time. More time when it will happen, if it will happen. So to buy now or not, it's up to you. You can take a risk, because without the risk, no gains. So the plan, you buy, for example, now at 50 cents. If you see the price drop, just stop DCA, because you can waste all your stable coins till zero, right? So build a plan. So I make a deal with myself. For example, you say to yourself, I buy it at 50 cents. If the token dump to 5, I buy more. If now I buy it at 50 cents, the price pump to $1, I withdraw my initial deposit. So that's a plan. Lower risk. Okay, guys, if you would like to trade with my customer, because I will show in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.